Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the ZNew. Both of these machines are designed for small spaces, making them perfect for apartments, dorms, and RVs. In this video, we'll discuss their unique features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's dive in. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring users to crank the handle to wash their clothes. This makes it a great option for those who prefer a non-electric solution. On the other hand, the ZNew offers a semi-automatic operation with timer buttons, allowing for a more hands-off approach to laundry. This feature is particularly appealing for users looking for convenience. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads and delicates. In contrast, the ZNew boasts a larger capacity of 13 liters, which is ideal for washing more items at once, such as baby clothes or underwear. This difference in capacity can be a deciding factor for users with varying laundry needs. The WonderWash is known for its simple and retro design, focusing on ease of use and portability. It is perfect for those who want a straightforward washing experience without the need for electricity. In contrast, the ZNew offers modern conveniences, such as a foldable design for easy storage and a Blu-ray function, which adds an extra layer of cleaning efficiency. These features cater to different user preferences and lifestyles. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the ZNew portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The WonderWash is perfect for those who prefer a manual, non-electric option, while the ZNew offers the convenience of a semi-automatic, electric washer with a folding design. Depending on your laundry needs and preferences, either of these machines could be a great addition to your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.